Now you are working as a director, innovation, incubation, and entrepreneurship in a medical college, right? Medical university. How difficult it is to push students and faculty members to do something that can generate IP, either patent, design, or copyright. So most of the universities or colleges face this challenge of generating IP. And second biggest challenge that what I have seen is people build their profile. Sometimes college doesn't get benefit. So
Yes.
how you are balancing this motivation and still been in control of everything?
Very appropriate question. As I told you, कि when I joined first day, so first week I was blank and this and that.
Right.
Then I have started IPR by the persons like you and me, myself also, teaching the IPR, creating the awareness, showing the importance. And I have suggested management कि whatever IPR will be generated by the any of the teacher, we should incentivize them.
Okay.
Immediately he told me, you just propose it in front of the governing body and we will approve it.
Okay.
So I have proposed that time 5,000 in 2017. One copyright writer after the certification, he will get 5,000 rupees in cash. Who will be granted patent, he will get 10,000. Who will be published design patent for the medical device, again 5,000. Who will get international patent is 20,000. So this was the one channel to create the interest little bit. There are two kinds of people, particularly in hospitals and all that, because in hospitals it is a very difficult task actually, because they are first doctor who run the OPD. So this is the primary job, and it is expected also.
Good.
And second, in colleges are the academics. They have to teach the students also. And third part comes research and innovations.
Correct.
So that is their third priority.
Third priority, right?
So I was very much upset तो नहीं था, लेकिन but I was thinking if it is the third priority, then how to make a spark with them. So I have called one meeting in a hall, and I have declared that I am going to frame these incentives, which was I have disclosed it. Actually. So I was welcomed by clapping the audience. Those were all doctors, even the expert doctors, professor to the assistant professors. And I told them that I am ready to nurture you by way of the conducting the workshop, by way of conducting my own knowledge percolated to you. And second thing, what happens, not only this is a part of the system. If anyone comes in your chamber, if you will welcome him or her, so he or she will come second time.
True.
For inquiry. If you will avoid them, they will never turn up to your chamber. So I always welcomed my doctors, and particularly I have sorted out there are two kind of persons.
Okay.
Krishna is a brand. KG to PG.
Okay.
Krishna school में they admitted in KG. High school, secondary school, junior college, Krishna. Medical college, Krishna. PG, Krishna. Job, Krishna.
Okay.
And now retiring, Krishna.
There are people like this.
Yes.
Okay.
And those are the local person, Karad and peripheral areas. So I thought that they are waste for me.
Okay.
They are of no use. Though they are senior, but they are of no use because they have to pass the time, to be very frank. So I have chosen the person in my team. Those are new joining and below 45 years. And I am glad to share the information that by this time I have my own committed team of the innovations of 50 teachers.
Okay.
From all domain, from pharmacy, from physiotherapy, dental, nursing, medical college, super specialty, allied sciences. These 6 constituent colleges we have, and I have the representation of all the persons.
Great.
And then after sorting out these people, That sorting out also you people have helped me.
Okay.
Because after the workshop, learning and we are measuring, na. So that was the process of sorting out these things. So many people have been invited out of those. You too, many times you have been invited. So yes, then the ecosystem.
You're able to create it.
Yes.
Interest in ecosystem.
Interest in that. I cannot forget
Huh?
when the first IPR was published, matlab copyright was published. The whole institution, there was a slogan, oh, 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
I received 5,000 rupees. Then I framed the IPR group of all the person. So looking to each other, sharing the information to each other. I have created a cafeteria concept also, innovation cafeteria.
Okay.
Yes, innovation club,
Okay.
where many of the innovators and researchers are coming together on a cup of coffee after 5 o'clock, and they are mutually sharing the things. And I am used to be there for like like the funs and share and shairi and some hasi majak, hai na? And but my colleague is also there. Sometimes other peoples of my staff is also there. So that has created actually ecosystem,
Okay.
interest among each other. So the train has started, and now there is no end. Sky is the limit, no limit. So we are beyond 1,000 IPR. We can be beyond 1 lakh IPR. That the time will tell. But I may not be there. But yes, I have created the ecosystem, as I should repeat about the innovations. And particularly, a very special thing I am sharing now. Yuva Hub Club is an organization.
Okay.
युवा हब क्लब जो है, they are supplying the bags, school bags to the Nagar Parishad, Jila Parishad school, means to the government.
Okay.
Those are kids up to the 10 and all that. And they are bearing their school bag load 8 to 10 kg in lower standards.
That's too much.
That is true. है ना? So, our one innovator, the thing has come, कि यार, he is an engineer, mechanical engineer.
Okay.
Yeah. The thing has come into his mind कि ये जो बैग है, back of the after hang the bag, the back of the bag and back of ours, which is in contact, and here the load is sharing onto the shoulders, and next load is sharing here onto the cervical.
Okay.
So what he did actually the heart shaped as a curvature, heart shaped acrylic plate, simply. And that acrylic plate has been sandwiched between the two parts of the bag itself. So that acrylic plate, because of this arc action, the whole force has been divided throughout the bag.
Okay.
It is not percolating onto some place of some one point of shoulder or your cervical. It has been distributed. It is a simple phenomena.
Simple solution, but very
Yes,
effective.
very effective.
Right.
We have made transfer of technology to Yuva Hub in 10,50,000 rupees.
Great. That's
But
great.
it was very less actually. Because of the relation, because our management is not of commercialized view. That's why our chairman sir told during the discussion, no, students are benefiting, children are benefiting. What amount you will get? And मैंने कहा sir, last time NAC has told us, remark they have passed on the remark that this innovation gallery is the one of the best gallery. But what about the resource generation? This is the expenditure made by the management. But what you have returned out of that? So we have committed, sir, them. We will be creating the resource generation out of the technology transfer, feeding the startup incubation center. So now we are comfortable.
Okay.
So just you see, just simple solution.
Right.
है ना? This is ideation actually. An idea can generate at any point of time. Irrespective of आप खाना खा रहे हैं, सो रहे हैं, उठ रहे हैं, idea comes actually.
Right. So this is great actually, and I have also visited your gallery, innovation
Yes,
gallery, and it's amazing.
yeah,
And as you mentioned, it's one of the kind in India, not
yes.
only in medical colleges, but not I have not seen it in engineering colleges as well.
नहीं, देख ही नहीं सकते हैं, यूनिवर्सिटी में किसी को प्लेस देते नहीं
Nahi.
है, देते
Right,
नहीं
right.
है.
And second thing, what difference I could see with Krishna Vishwa University is you have been able to commercialize and still be humble to not charge much. And I don't think so. Apart from few big universities, no one is able to achieve this.
Yes, sir.
They have huge numbers now.
Yeah.
You know the reasons, not to discuss, I guess.
Yeah.
The numbers have been raised, but this approach is not there. That's great, sir. That's a great learning, and doing it in a medical college, it's another achievement I
Yes,
can
sir.
say.
Actually, main hurdle, how to handle with these white collar people in the society, the doctors.
Right, right. Highly intellectual.
Yes.
Right. If you have learned or gained knowledge from this podcast, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing to our channel, you will get notifications of all new podcasts that have been released, which are specifically designed for upcoming entrepreneurs, startups, and professionals who are working in the industry. And keep watching and keep learning. Thank you.